Hello friends, welcome in my channel Global Information. I will provide you all information about the world. Some important information I will share with you like Uber accident attorney. We will discuss about Uber accident attorney who help all victims of Uber accident. Lalizare law firm fights hard to get injury compensation for Uber drivers and passengers of Uber vehicles as well as third-party drivers and pedestrians who were hit by an Uber. We provide passionate representation with zero upfront fees. You don't pay unless we win. It is in your best interest to consult with Uber accident lawyer about your case before speaking with Uber or an insurance adjuster. With professional legal assistance, you will have more leverage in settlement negotiations with Uber and get the compensation you deserve rather than getting lowballed. If you or a loved one has been injured in an Uber or Lyft accident, call us now for free, no obligation consultation. Our line is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our award-winning Uber accident lawyers have recovered millions on behalf of accident victims. A growing industry brings new issues. Ride-sharing phenomenon has made getting around town easier and provide many people with a new source of income. However, as the ride-sharing industry grows more and more, Uber and Lyft vehicles are becoming involved in collisions. Meanwhile, insurance companies and may not always be providing proper compensation to victims. Lyft and Uber accident cases are recent development and thus involves murky legal waters. Only attorney who specializes in this complex area of law can give victims a chance at justice. Lalizare law firm came in one on the ground floor and shares accident litigations it has and have since established themselves as the go-to law firm in the field. What accident victims need to know about Uber and Lyft collisions. Uber and Lyft are both major companies now, worth billions of dollars. As such, they ensure that their drivers are covered by $1 million both in liability and in uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. In comparison, many ordinary motorists carry only $15,000 in injury liability. The level of insurance covering Uber and Lyft means that those injured in an accident, where they are not at fault, may be able to obtain more complete compensation for the medical costs, lost income, and pain and suffering following an accident. It's important, therefore, to have the representation of a skilled Lyft or Uber accident lawyer who can obtain the best result possible. Lalizare law firm wants you to know that you may be due significant compensation if you are in one of the following categories. A motorist or passenger injured in a collision where a ride-sharing driver was at fault. Second, a ride-sharing driver injured in an accident where an other motorist was at fault. Third, an injured passenger in an ride-sharing vehicle, regardless of which driver is at fault. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. Thank you.